Be ready for the dictation. Exercise 47. Start. There was an unwritten law among the Porbandar Memons living in South Africa that death should be preferred to bankruptcy. It was impossible for Tayyab Sheikh to pay down the whole sum of about 37,000 and costs. He meant to pay not a pie less than the amount, and he did not want to be declared bankrupt. So there was only one way. Dada Abdullah should allow him to pay in moderate installments. He was equal to the occasion and granted Tayyab Sheikh installments spread over a very long period. It was more difficult for me to secure the concession of payment by installments than to get the parties to agree to arbitration. But both were happy over the results, and both rose in the public estimation. My joy was boundless. I had learned the practice of law. I had learned to find out the better side of human nature and to enter men's hearts. I realized that the true function of a lawyer was to unite parties driven as under. The lesson was so indelibly burnt into me that a large part of my time during the 20 years of my practice as a lawyer was occupied in bringing about private compromises of hundreds of cases. I lost nothing thereby, not even money, certainly not my soul. In our opinion, the lawyers should advise their clients to try for mediation for resolving the disputes, especially where relationships like family relationships, business relationships are involved. Otherwise, the litigation drags on for years and decades, often ruining both the parties. Hence, the lawyers as well as litigants should follow Mahatma Gandhi's advice in the matter and try for arbitration or mediation. This is also the purpose of Section 89 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Let the matter be referred to the Bangalore Mediation Center. The parties are directed to appear before the Bangalore Mediation Center on 21 February 2014. The next case is of an appellant contractor, a partnership firm engaged in the construction business, who was awarded a contract by the respondent state government for construction of a dam. During the execution of the said work, the executive engineer in charge of the project made certain additions, alterations, and variations in respect of certain items of work and directed the appellant to carry out the same also. The appellant filed a consolidated statement of claims for the additional works. Stop.